Story.
Today, we're going to learn all about awesome tools and how they help me build my beautiful jungle house. Woohoo! Chainsaw cuts large wood logs quickly. Whee! Whee! Ha 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 ha! These tools are going to help me to build my house. Doobie-doobie-doo! Let's go! Whee! I use it to measure my wood before cutting. Measure magic show! Whee! I didn't mean to do that, but it's fun. My spirit level keeps everything straight. No wobbly walls here. It was invented way back in 1660. Ta-da! Wow! The screwdriver is used to turn screws, to fasten or unfasten them. Twist, twist, hooray! Something is giggling me. Oh-hoo! Ha 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 ha! Round and round. Wrench is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Oops! Too tight! Invented in 1842. Ha 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 ha! I am enjoying! Zigzag! My handsaw cuts wood or bamboo. The saw was invented way back around 1500 BC. I love nature sound. Whee! Ha 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 ha! Say BZZZZ. Hello. Drilling machines are used to create holes in various materials like wood, metal, and concrete. Bath time? Oops, kids. I am feeling shy. Grill it! Thrill it! Invented in 1889. La 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 la! Come on!
Hi, buddy.
Hello, bro. How are you?
I am good.
Whoop whoop. This is Mr. Hammer. He goes bang bang. Just don't hit your tail. Ha ha ha. Bang bang boom boom. Fire dragon time. Okay, kids, say hello to Welding Torch. It is used for melts and joins metal parts together with heat. It was invented in the early 1900s. Oops, too hot. Let's dance. Sheeny Chatore! He's my jungle superhero. Drives nails, shapes metal, breaks rocks, and builds my house. Measure Magic Show. Invented in 1829. Whoop whoop. Ha 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 ha. I am enjoying. Roof slide alert. Twist, twist. Hooray. It first appeared around the 15th century. What a sunny day. Ah, feeling refreshing. Ha 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 ha. Let's get back to work. Plier, he grips, bends, cuts, and twists like a jungle gymnast, cutting wires. Oops! I set up lights in my jungle house. Parkle zap. Invented way back in the 1800s. La 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 la. Chini, Chatore. Whoa ho ho! This ladder's tall. Hi, little bird, how are you? Ladders were invented over 10,000 years ago. Whee! Oh, I love my house. It's strong, cozy, and right in the heart of our jungle. And hey, don't forget to watch more fun on Chini Chatore. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.